Good morning to everyone. Today we will start our next part of exercise 2.3 and today we will finish this chapter. Okay. So first you have to remember, first you should know what is division algorithm for polynomial. If px and gx are any two polynomials, and not any two polynomials mean if it is px and it is gx, we can divide it. Px and gx any two polynomial with gx not equal to 0, like this one. It is 8, it is 3 and it is never 0 na, with gx not equal to 0. Then we can find polynomial qx. When we divide any two polynomial, we will get some quotient or not. Quotient qx, it is also a polynomial. And in last we will got remainder rx, same as it is. 3 to the 3 5 the 15 and it is 1. So what we can write? It is dividend. Dividend px equal to 16 equal to 3 into 5 plus 1. We write like this one or no? In first chapter, division algorithm. This was division algorithm for numbers and it is division algorithm for polynomials. So it is px equal to gx into qx plus rx. And now we will write here condition. What is rx? Remainder may be 0, so rx may be 0 or less than divisor. But here we are talking about polynomial, so we will say that the degree of rx is less than degree of gx. Understand or not? अरे यही तो है. If we will divide it x square anyone plus and it is x and it is x square x cube and what is remain 2. So degree it's 1, its degree 0. So degree is less than always or not, or 0. So you have to remember this one. Okay. So you have to remember this one method. Otherwise you can note down it like this one also. Division algorithm. What is it? It is dividend. Dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Understand it? So remember, you have to remember this one. Now we will do question number 4, 2.3, question number 4, everyone. Now question number 4 of 2.3. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, which means this polynomial is divided by gx. The quotient and remainder were. Quotient and remainder also given. We have to find gx. It's very simple dear. Px we know it is px and we have to find gx and it is qx and it is rx. We have to only find gx. It is very simple dear. Suppose I am writing in numbers. It is 22. Px 22 and you have to find this one and it is 5 and remainder is 2. Find the gx. So everyone know you what is division algorithm. What is px 22 equal to, suppose it is what is, it is x. Divisor multiply x into 5 and plus remainder. It is equation or not? It's very simple. And if I give you only this equation and find the value of x, everyone can find easily. From the 6th class, what we will do? First we will remove positive. Positive another side. Minus 22 minus 2. 22 minus 2. 20 and x into 5. 5x. And 5 multiply another side. Divide. 20 divided by 5. 4. So x is how much? X is 4. X was 4. So we will make this equation. And this equation name is, before 2 minutes we have already discussed. What is its name? What is division algorithm? So we will write. Look at it. To write by division algorithm. By division algorithms. What is? You can write Px equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. Are you understand it? Only I write it. Okay. Now what is Px? It is Px. So we will write x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equal to Gx we want to find. Write as it is Gx. Multiply by Qx. Qx mean quotient. What is quotient? X. Look at the quotient. First we write quotient. That means it is quotient. X minus 2 plus remainder. What is remainder? Other minus 2x plus 4. And now in the previous question what we did? 22 x into 5 plus 2. If you want to find gx value, if you want to find x value, we should remove all the terms except then x. So first always we will remove positive and negative. So to another side negative. What is here positive? Rx. Rx or not? Rx another side negative. Very good. X cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. Negative mean negative become positive, positive become, it is here negative, it is become another side positive, and it is become minus. Now gx into x minus 2. Now 2x like term, can you write it? X cube minus 3x square, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 2 minus 4 minus 2 equal to gx into x minus 2. 22 minus 2, 5x. 20 divide into 5. We want to find value of x. So 5 another side divide. Here we want to find gx, and it is multiply by x minus 2. X minus 2 another side divide. So you can write x cube minus 3x square, 4x minus 2 divide by x minus 2 equal to gx. So gx value how can you find? This polynomial divided by x minus 2, and everyone know how to divide polynomials. Yeah, so you can write it like this one here. Now I am writing here. Look at now. So it means here is the two method, because if it is suppose 8 and it is divided, it is 2. So how will you do it? If we know its factor 4 into 2, so we can cut easily, but it's very difficult to take its factor. So what we will do? We will divide by dividing method. So what is x cube? First step is always write in descending order. 4x minus 2 divide by x minus 2. Now I am writing directly. What is x square? Everyone know? Take the first term and first term, both are divide. Okay. So it is come x square. So it is x cube. X cube, x cube. It means it's right. Minus 2x square. Now change sign. Positive, negative. It is negative. Now x cube minus x cube 0. It is minus 3x plus 2x minus x square plus 4x. Again it is gone on minus x square plus 2x. Again change sign. We have already do many examples. Okay. Now x square minus x square 0. 4 2 minus, it is 2x. Again minus 2. It is gone on. Now on 2x minus 4 minus 4 2x minus plus, what is it? Is 2. We did mistake anywhere. Look it. What is, check it answer. What is 2.3? Yes? 2x plus 2x, 4x. Where? Oh, here. Oh, sorry. It is only x. It is x. It is 3x. Sorry. It's 3x. It's also 3x. 3x minus 2x. X. It is x. X minus 2. So it is gone on. 1. X minus 2 minus plus 0. So it's mean when we divide by this number, what we got? Gx. So what is gx? X square minus. So it means therefore you can write therefore gx equal to x square minus x plus 1. Understand or not? So it's mean if I ask you what is the factor of this one? What is the factor of x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 2? It is also factor because we are dividing completely. That means x minus 2 is the factor of this one, and what we got, it is also factor of it. Okay, so note down it. Now question number 3 we will do. Now question number 4. Obtain all other zeros of 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6 x raised to the power 3 minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two zeros are given. These two zeros are already. Everyone know what is zeros? Zeros mean what value you will put of x in place of x, it's become a 0. Everyone know dear, if is any linear polynomial. How many zero of linear polynomial? Yes, very good. 5x plus 5. Only there is a 1 0. If I write x square plus 5x plus 6, it is a quadratic polynomial. How many zero of quadratic polynomial? 2 zeros. And it is x cube plus 6x square plus 5. It is cubic polynomial. How many zero of cubic polynomial? 3 zeros. 3 zeros is mean we can find 3 different value of x where this polynomial is become a 0. And it is how many degree of this polynomial? 4. So there should be how many zeros? 4 zeros. But how many zeros is already given? 2 zeros. So first we will understand it by an example. It is just an example, okay? How to find of the zeros of the any polynomial when some of the zeros are given and some are we have to find. So what we will do? Look at. It's very simple dear. If I give you a quadratic polynomial, everyone know it is a quadratic polynomial, and if you want to find its zeros, so we should put equal to 0. So what we do? Look at. If it is a quadratic polynomial, so I have already told you we will split the middle term. Split the middle term whose middle number is 5 and multiplication 6 into 1 6. So 3 into 2 6 and 3x plus 2x 5. This is we have already learned many times. Okay. So now next step what we will do? We take the common from these two terms. What is common? X plus 3. And from here what is common? We will take a common in some number same as it is x plus 3 remain here. So 2x plus 3. And why we are do like this? Because again we can take the same common. X plus 3 common. What is remain? X plus 2. So it's mean we observe that it is 0 0. It means x multiplication of two number 0. It means either first number 0 or second number 0. If first is 0, x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3. X plus 2 equal to 0. It means x equal to minus. It means look at now is important. It means what are the zeros of this quadratic? X minus 3 and x. minus 3 and minus 2 are zeros. Okay? And suppose, Anish, if I did not write this one, I solve only till here. So x plus 3 into x plus 2, what is meaning? These are the factor of this one or no? Yes. If it is any number 8, and if I write this number in multiplication 2 into 4, first number into second number in 8th class, it means x plus 3 and x plus 2 are factor of this one. Do you understand or not? Don't understand? Azad, 8, if you will write 2 multiply some number, what is meaning? 2 is factor of 8, 4 is also factor of 8. Same as it is a sum number, and in last we will write their multiplication of two number. So it means x plus 3 is the factor of this one, x plus 2 is also the factor. Understand or not? If x plus 2 is its factor, okay, so it means if x plus 2 is factor, so x square plus 5x plus 6 is divisible by this one or not? Okay? Or otherwise, if you find zeros, if any zeros, look at x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3 is 0. Can you write in the reverse process, starting from x equal to minus 3 zeros, minus 3 on the side positive. So x plus 3 equal to 0. It means x plus 3, what is? It's the factor of this one. If any zeros of given, suppose x equal to 5 is the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. It means x, it is another side, minus. X minus 5 is factor of this one. Look at, you can check it. Because x plus 3, x equal to minus 3, again process, reverse. X plus 3 and it is x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. Process, reverse. X plus 2 equal to 0. Both of number is 0. Both of the multiplication is 0. So what is become? If x equal to minus 3 another side positive. So x plus 3 is the factor. Understand? And listen, one more thing. If I say you, suppose you don't know. You know only one factor of this one. One factor of this one, what is? X plus 3. Not factor. If I am saying you, x equal to minus 3 is the zeros of this one. If x equal to minus 3 is the zeros of this polynomial, it means x minus 3 another side. X plus 3 is the factor of this one. And if it is factor, x square plus 5x plus 6, because it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial has at most how many zeros? 2 zeros or 2 factor. So it means second factor we should know. We should have been find. So what is? So it means x equal to minus 3. It means minus 3 on the side positive. So x plus 3 is factor of this one, and x plus 3 is factor of this one. So it means x plus 3 should be divide it completely. Must be. If 2 is factor of 8, 2 is divided completely or not? So we will divide it. So it is x square plus 3x. Look at only just an example. 2x plus 6. Now on 2x plus 6 minus. Remainder is 0. It means x square. It means by Euclid division lemma. Not lemma, algorithm. X square 5x plus 6. This is dividend is equal to gx into qx. So it means x plus 3 multiply x plus 2 or not. It means both are factor or not. So it means if we know one factor, we can find easily second one or not. Everyone know x plus 2 is also already factor. Understand? So every time dear, whenever given one zeros, so x equal to minus 3. So x minus 3 on the side plus. So x plus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. Maybe in place of 3 it is given x equal to 2 is, in place of x equal to minus 2 is 0. X equal to, if we will put x equal to minus 2, it's become 0. So it means x minus 2 on the other side positive. So x plus 2 is a factor of this one. Understand or not? So now we will do question number 4. Same as it is. In question number 4, if two zeros are given, two zeros is already given or not? Example number 9. Open your books. Example number 9. Same as it is we will do. I hope now you have already learned what we will do. So we will write solution. So we will write since root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are factor of are zeros. Zeros of this polynomial are not. Zeros of 3x4 plus 6x minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. In previous example, dear, do you remember? 5x plus 6x. In last, it is become x plus 3 into x plus 2 and x. We have already discussed. Everyone know if minus 3 and minus 2 are zeros, then minus 3 on the other side divide. So x plus 3, it means x plus 3 into x plus 2 are the factor. Factor or not? Do you understand it? If x minus 3 and x minus 2 are zeros, so find x plus 3 minus 3 on the other side 0. So it is 0. X plus 2 is also 0. Multiplication of two number is 0, which means x plus 3 multiplication x plus 2, and we know these are the factor or not. Both are factor of this one or not. So it means both are the factor. So therefore, same as it is, you can write what we will write. So we will write are the zeros of this one. So therefore, x equal to what is meaning? X equal to root 5 by 3 other, and x equal to both are zeros or not. It means if we put in place of x there, the answer become 0. So it means it is another side minus x minus root 5 by 3 bracket x, and it is become positive. Do you understand? Are factor of, you will write this one, 3x4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Can we write or not, Preeti? So it means x equal to x minus this one and x plus, it is a factor. And listen it is very carefully. If it is factor, can we find one more factor? We will divide this polynomial by the factor. Understand or not? Because if 2 is factor of 8, what is the another factor of 8? 8, because 2 is factor, so what is another factor? 4. So same as it is, we will divide it. But before it, you have to remember, this is the formula of which one? A minus B. A plus B. Everyone know. It is for A minus B into A plus B equal to always A square minus B square. You can note down in your notebook also. So what is A? A is X. X square and minus B square. B. What is B? 5 by 3. 5 by. Preeti, look at. Root 5 into root 5. 5. 5 or not? And root 3 into root 3. 3. So x minus 5 by 3 is factor of this one. And if it is factor, can you divide it? Yeah. So what we will write? We will write here. Look at. So I am now divide it. So what is? It is. So it means x square minus 5 by 3 and divide by 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Understand it? And everyone know, look at 2 factor we can find from here. How many total factor? 4. So here one more polynomial become and 2 more factor we will find from there. Okay. So look at what we will do. Take the first term 3x4 divide by what? X square. What is remain? Become it is 3x square. So write 3x square. 3x square. So it is 3x into x. 3x square into x square, 3x4. Now minus 5 by 3 multiply by 3x. 3 cancel 3. What is become? Minus 5x square. It is become minus 5x square. So write same power in same line. Next step is change the sign, negative, positive. 3x square minus 3x square, 0. What is 6x cube? Next is plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now again take the first term 6x cube and divide by what? First term of x square. So what is? It is x6x. So same as it is we will write plus 6x. Now 6x into 6x square, 6x cube. Now 6x into minus 5 by 3. Negative into positive, negative. So what is come? 3 into 2, 5 into 2, 10. It is become minus 10x. Minus 10x or not? So now again change sign. Minus plus. Cancel. It is also cancel. What is remain? 3x square minus 5. And everyone know degree of remainder should be less than. Okay? Less than or not? That means again we will divide 3x square divided by x square. How much? Plus 3. So 3x square into what is? Minus 5. Minus plus. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Yes. Now we observe that remainder is 0. It means it is also factor, it is also factor. 2 0 we have already find from this factor and other 2 0 we will find from this one factor because it is a quadratic polynomial, and by quadratic polynomial do you know how to find? Do you know now how to find zeros? So look at how to find. There is some space problem. Okay, so look at now. So now look at, now I am not this one because there is some space problem. So look at now by division algorithm, it means 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Dividend is always equal to divisor into quotient. That means x square minus 5 by 3 multiply 3x square plus 6x plus 3. This one or not? Now we will find factor of this one. So write factor of 3x square plus 6x plus 3. It is a quadratic polynomial. How will you find quadratic polynomial? Sum of two number 6. Suppose m plus n is 6 and multiplication sum of two numbers same number. First and third. How much? 3 into 3? 9. So first is product of two number is positive. It means both number are negative or both are positive. But sum is also positive. It means both are positive. So what is 1 into 9? 1 into 9 multiplication is 9. Sum is 6? No, not possible. Next is 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. Yes, possible. So you can write 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So write it 3x square plus 3x. So what is? So we will split in 3 and 3. 3x plus 3x plus 3. Now what is common? Common is 3x. What is remain? X plus 1. Same as it is, we will take common. What is remain? x plus 1. What is? We should take a plus 3 common. Okay. Now, so it's mean again x plus 1 common. What is remain? 3x plus 3. So it's mean product of two number is, so if you want to find factor, so equate to 0. So it means x equal to minus 1 and x equal to, it's come also minus 1. Okay. So what are other zeros? So you can write, so 2 factor is already given. To write, so you will write factors are, which one factor? In starting already given, root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3, and other 2 factors minus 1. Both are come same. Okay. So it is your answer. Understand it? So example number 9 also you will do yourself. Okay. So 2.3. It is question number. So other 2 factor minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So it is your answer. So now question number 5, try to yourself. Okay. You have to write only examples. Okay. I will send you one PDF also. You can take help this one also. So first this chapter we have already finished it. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day, and if you have any problem ask to me. Okay. Thank you.